Chamilo LMS is an open-source learning management system designed for schools, universities, training organizations, and businesses that want to create and manage online courses. It can look like a powerful alternative to commercial LMS platforms, but the real question is, should you use it before watching this? Now, to be fair, Chamilo has some real advantages, especially for organizations that want control over their learning platform without being locked into an expensive proprietary system. What it does well: open source platform. Chamilo can be used without the same type of licensing costs associated with many commercial LMS products. Wide range of learning tools. It supports courses, quizzes, assignments, assessments, documents, forums, and other educational features. Where the hype falls apart. Setup can require technical knowledge. If you're self-hosting Chamilo, you'll need to deal with servers, updates, security, backups, and maintenance. The user experience may not match premium platforms. Commercial LMS products often invest heavily in polished interfaces and integrations, while open-source software can feel less streamlined. Support isn't always as simple. With a commercial platform, you may have dedicated support. With open-source software, support options can depend on the community, partners, or your own technical team. So, should you use Chamilo LMS? Short answer: yes, if you value flexibility and control. If you're comfortable managing open-source software and want to avoid being tied to a proprietary LMS, Chamilo is worth considering. But if you want a completely hands-off platform, there may be easier alternatives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.